Hey folks, Matt Berry with First Choice. We're gonna do an install today. All right, we are showing up to the job. We came here and did a little prep yesterday. We came in, ripped out all the old plants. This was all cratered out, filled with holes. We packed in all the holes real good, smoothed it out. All right, got everything prepped up, ready to go. Time to go get some plants. Super important is the product we get for our customers. When I call them, I say, I want 25 of your best loropetalum, dwarf loropetalums, or I want 25 of your best red drift roses. Like, you want the best for your customer. All right, plants picked up. We got 12 red drift roses. We got 29 drift loropetalums, the little pixies, and then 26 of our boxwoods. All right, folks, we got everything installed, and as you can see, we've got green and purple offset everywhere, and then around all the crepe myrtles there is drift roses. Those are going to grow in a ring. It came out really good. We got our ring of drift roses going around the crepe myrtles. Purple green, purple green, purple green everywhere. Yep, job well done.